Jones twins, and we're back with another video. Okay, guys, so today, yes, we're doing, this is gonna be the okay, we're doing a last Mortal Kombat. As you guys know, we did Melina, Rambo. Well, our series, our like mini series, if you want to call it that, is we were like looking at the customizations and the dialogue for those three, and it's finally coming to an end. Yes. But we decided that before we go into doing the whole series thing, we're gonna take a break from Mortal Kombat for a second, okay? Yeah. Because I feel like that is we've been doing a lot of Mortal Kombat
and I feel like you guys are not. I'm not saying everybody, but like some people they want to see
different things,
different videos, and you know I feel like that too. Like you know, so yeah,
I feel like we should do something a bit different because we are a diverse channel. We don't only do one specific thing, we do a lot of things.
Exactly.
And so we kind of feel like we should take a break from Mortal Kombat for right now. Yeah. We're gonna definitely get back to it. The series is definitely happening, and we'll let you know when the series will officially start. So yeah, and also we will not be doing vlogging.
Yes.
We first of all, we already missed 2 days.
Exactly. So
and it's just right now. I mean, school is about to end, and I'll be off for like a week. Not a week, like a month. So we can do more videos. Probably
I will be off, but I probably.
You're gonna be finished this month too.
Yeah, I'm gonna be finished.
I'll be finished this month, and then like for January before the spring semester starts. It starts at the end of January for mine. For the city, yeah. So
I have to apply
because it'll be so during that month that we could do more videos for you guys.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe we'll start the series. We don't know yet, but for right now, we're gonna be doing something else. We don't even know. We have no idea what we'll be doing, and yet we're not doing vloggings because, like, I feel like that's a lot. For right now, it's a lot. We're still doing like exams. I have like essays coming up. So we can't really do that right now. So maybe next year.
A little bit. Sorry. Sorry.
I was in the middle of talking and you disrupted me.
You said maybe next year.
Oh yeah. Huh?
You said maybe.
I did not say that.
Oh, you said maybe something.
I said not in next month.
Oh, next month.
I said maybe next month we'll start the series.
Yeah.
But for right now, okay, we're gonna get a break. We're gonna have
but comment down below
comment down below, right?
Yeah, comment down below some other videos
that you want us to see, so that we're not like, because it's hard coming up with video ideas, original video ideas, something that you guys would enjoy. Exactly. We could do mukbangs if you guys like that. We could do that as well. We always want to do that, but yeah. So that was just our little announcement. Oh my god, we took 3 minutes. Okay, so before we get, so we're gonna be doing what video are we doing today?
We are doing Mortal Kombat 11 Rain character customizations and all his outfits.
Yes, so this is the final character that we'll be doing. And yeah, so before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And yeah, let's get into it. Every time I'm gonna scream that. It's getting hot.
It is.
Ooh, what is going on?
Ready?
Okay, let's go. I told you he wears blue. That's
purple.
That's why we did blue eye makeup, y'all.
That's purple.
That's not purple.
Yes, it is.
That's clearly blue, TT. Are you colorblind?
That looks purple.
It's blue.
Whoa.
It's like a purplish. No, it looks more blue though.
I like that one.
But why is his eyes closed?
Oh, it's like a periwinkle.
But why is his eyes closed?
I don't know.
Does he sleep?
I guess.
Wait, this is customizations, right?
Yeah.
That's blue. I know what I'm talking about.
Like
that's the same color. Okay, it looks kind of like a pinkish,
like a periwinkle.
Blue. Yeah, now that he has that whole thing, that looks ridiculous. Anyway, I'm just saying, it looks kind of ridiculous.
That's not bad. His mask is not really bad. Not like
But
Melina.
why? I just wonder why his eyes closed. Like, that's kind of disrespectful.
How is it disrespectful? What? Oh, that's. Ooh.
Ooh, put the mask on. Not this time.
And that's his Katars. I don't know what that is.
The swords. Or whatever that is. Why is it so
It looked like
it looked like a cutter.
It looked like one of those wood cutter things.
Oh,
where they cut it, like
We don't know what we talking about.
Like you know the wood color thing, the wood.
Yeah, like
thing,
the
when you cut the wood.
Not a machete.
What is that called? A something saw.
She saw? No.
No.
Oh, wait, no, that's not
hand
it.
saw or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
That's what it looked like.
What saw? I don't know.
That I think that's
it looked
what
like.
it is.
No, it's not. It's probably not that. They gonna come for us and vomit.
Y'all know what we saw about.
My back is hurting. See, okay, I can see purple there. It looks kind of bluish. It's that, you know, that one crayon in the box that's like kind of blue, but not blue. Yeah. You got what I mean? These look nice.
Mm-hmm.
I like the all black everything.
I like the purple ones because my favorite color is purple.
Yes,
so.
you know, TC.
Okay, he's showing his muscles or whatever.
I like muscles. Yo. Yo, every single time.
Why we always
we
cracking up?
always be dying in the videos. If you see a common thing going on, we always be dying.
You're just
in
dying.
The last video.
Yeah.
You're so stupid.
Stop.
All right. I do like muscles though. Stop laughing.
You the one that's making me laugh.
Okay, these.
Wait, is he starting all over? What is he doing? Oh, I guess he. Bless you.
Thank you. Sorry, y'all. Are these the outfits?
Yeah. Oh, I like that red
nice.
one. Okay.
Is that okay? White. Kind of hot. But... Oh, that's black. Oh, I like the black with the the colors. That's nice.
Mine look like Scorpion a little bit. This one.
That looks nice.
It reminds me of Scorpion.
Did we rate Rambo? I think we did.
I think yeah, I think we did. Well, I like this.
Oh yes. Nah, I don't really like this. I don't really like it. I feel like, where's the other half? I like the muscles, but I don't. That's nice. I like the first one.
Yeah.
That's kind of like the blue kind of periwinkle.
Oh, whatever.
Yeah. I like it. It looks nice.
Oh, that's nice. That's it? Yep.
Now, are we on the intros?
Yeah, intros.
Oh, that's nice. I like that one. Wow. Wait, how is he not wet?
That's true. How is he not wet? He's supposed to...
Oh, I like that one. I kind of like that one.
How come
Okay,
he's
I
not
don't know
wet?
which one.
Now you got me thinking. Whoa.
Nah. I mean, it's nice, but pretty mediocre. Not as interesting. But
Where's it purple? Oh, we saw this one.
that's a little too dramatic. Oh, somebody said that was the ending post from somewhere. I forgot. Somebody said that. That's nice. I like that. I like that one.
Where did it go?
I'm dead. That's nice too.
Bloody.
Nice.
Oh, you can really
I
see
like
his
that he
muscles
has
there.
water.
What?
I like that he has water. It's
Yeah.
interesting. He can drink if he gets thirsty. He can just take a drink.
That's true.
I'm dead.
This is his like abilities.
What am I looking at?
It's like his abilities, like what you like. You could customize his own abilities and stuff, like his abilities, his moves. Oh, yeah.
Hey, okay.
Sorry.
That's why she came at me. Don't get started. Oh, it's over.
It's over.
Okay. Rating time.
Rating time.
Why was your voice so deep?
You know, like the male,
No.
like from Blue's Clues.
No, but why was your voice so deep?
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah. So, rating.
So I will give him 8. Like Rambo.
You give everybody an 8. Ain't nothing wrong with that guy. Why you always give him an 8?
So what's your rating then?
So I'm gonna give him a 7. No, I'm just sorry.
Wow.
Nah,
so
but
lonely.
I would give him there's nothing wrong with him, honestly.
So you'll give
Honestly,
him
I
a
feel
what?
like there's nothing wrong with him. I feel like we're just being picky.
So you'll give him a what?
I give him a 9. Why did I give him a 9?
Okay.
I mean, nobody's perfect, so.
So anyway.
My eyelash is bothering me. Okay, go ahead.
So I'll give him an 8 because I mean that's a good rating.
I'm just saying, like, why is
Okay,
it,
I'll give him
why
a
not
9.
a 9?
I'll give him a 9. I'll give him a 9 because I like his ability. I mean his customizations. I like how they're like most.
It was kind of like a blue.
Like a
purple,
yeah,
bluish
bluish.
We should have did something like that. Yeah. Our makeup is way off.
It's fine.
I mean,
water is blue. So.
Oh yeah, so.
And
isn't it clear? Huh?
I mean, yeah.
Nah.
That's not good.
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, they're gonna think we dumb.
Yeah.
Anyway. Oh yeah, the outros, intros, outros.
The intros and
all of them,
outros are
honestly, even
really
though I
good. They're really wet.
Why would you say that? They're gonna take it some kind of other way, whatever. Okay, so yeah, I liked him. I think he's a pretty cool character. Would I play as him? Probably not, because I already know. Katana is blue. That's why I got blue eyes. And you too. Katana. I'm gonna name my daughter that. Katana.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Anyway, we're getting off topic.
Ew. Okay, that's the ending of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe. Why are you yelling? Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss the video. Yeah. We're about to get out.